Now, in this particular subtask of the guess random number project, we're going to be comparing the guesses given by the user and the secret number. And we're going to print out based on that whether it's cold, right, or hot. That is, if the number guessed by the user is plus or minus 10 of the secret number, we're going to print out hot, or else we're going to print out cold. And if the user has guessed the correct number, we're going to print out right. So coming to the code, see, first have our get random number function. And after that, we have a give hint function which checks number and guess as an input. So over here, number is our secret number. And then first we're going to run a bunch of if-else statements. If guess is greater than number plus 10, or these two lines over here mean or. So if guess is greater than number plus 10 or guess is less than number minus 10, then we're going to return cold. That is, when it's outside the range of plus or minus 10 of the secret number, we're going to return cold. Or else if number is equal to the guess, that is the user has guessed properly, then we're going to return right. Or else we're going to return hot. Coming to the run guess function, we're going to initialize a variable called secret number, and we're going to get the random number using this particular function. And after getting the random number, we're going to initialize a new user guess variable. And first we're going to print out enter a number between 1 to 100. And we have used scanf %d to take input over here. So this is how you take input in C. So we are taking input as an integer, that's why we're given %d. And if it's float, we're going to give %f, and so on. So after taking input from the user, we're going to store it in the user guess variable. And after that, we're going to call the give hint function. And if hint is right, then we're going to print out you guessed it right. Or else we're just going to print out whatever is returned by the hint function. And in the main function, we will be initializing the random seed using srand times 0. And then we're going to call the run guess function. Let's just run this code once. Let me give 45. So it's giving me a scold. Right now we can only have one guess because we haven't had a loop yet. Let's just submit this code once. So passed all 3 test cases. Let's move on to the next subtask.